LVTOPSUN, Tier 1 energy storage manufacturer. Since 2016, LVTOPSUN has been a leader in renewable energy innovation. Our 24,000 square meter smart manufacturing plant in Dongguan serves as a global hub for high-performance lithium battery (R&D), with an annual capacity of 5 gigawatt-hours. Supported by a dedicated team of 500-plus professionals, our global footprint covers 30-plus service centers. We are proud to serve partners across Asia and Middle East, Thailand, Vietnam, Myanmar, Philippines, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Iraq, Africa, Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, Zimbabwe, Mali, Uganda, Europe and Americas, Spain, Poland, Brazil. By utilizing grade A cells and adhering to the strictest international standards, IEC 62619, CE, UL, TUV, RCM, ISO 9001, we deliver proven reliability. We welcome global partners to join us in driving sustainable growth and mutual success.